Yo, it's your boy Lelo Jones, and you watching Lelo in the Garden.
I'm in the garden, chilling in the garden, wilding in the garden. Looking for me, I'm in the garden. I'm in the garden, I'm in the garden. Can't find me in the street, but you might find me in the garden. I'm in the garden, chilling in the garden, wilding in the garden. Looking for me, I'm in the garden. I'm in the garden, I'm in the garden. Can't find me in the street, but you might find me in the garden. I'm in the garden, chilling, helping these plants grow. When you get your hand dirty, it's food for your soul. In the element, where you can't catch the breeze. While you break a sweat and get some dirt on your knees. In the garden, that way you can't find me. Getting all this knowledge and it don't cost a thing.
Yeah, man. We back at the Outdoor Fresh Farm with it today. You did what I'm saying. Continue to make the placketing happening. You did what I'm saying. And I gotta tell you something. We had a catastrophe. You know what I'm saying? The panels of the greenhouse blew up, bent off. You know what I'm saying? We took those down. Me and Cuz on the emergency tip. Look at that one out there. Look, it all broke up and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? The wind, when that rain came, for me not securing it all the way down, it cost me. You did what I'm saying? But it didn't cost me a lot because we were able to save these panels, like I said, these roofing panels, and we're gonna use them today. You know what I'm saying? Or on the project we're going to start today. Hopefully we get to it. You did what I'm saying? But in the emergency tip, we went ahead and added those other two 1x4s that I told you I should add to add more stability, you know what I'm saying, to the roof. So now I can go in that thing, add those panels to the top, screw them in 3 different places, and then that should definitely help us with the wind and the weather and all the craziness, so we won't have any more panels blowing off that thing. You did what I'm saying? Then we're gonna go back into the back. You did. And we're going to start working on this shed. I've been telling y'all we got to build a shed and everything, but we're going to make it do what it does today. You know what I mean? See, we went ahead, like I said, when we got the stuff for the greenhouse, I went ahead and got the 4x4. So we can go ahead and put the bracing frame up for the shed. It's going to be over there in the corner. You know what I mean? We got a lot of wood to work with. Look at all that. You know what I'm saying? I got that for the free $99. You did what I'm saying? Straight off Facebook Marketplace. The same place where I got most of those windows that we used on the greenhouse. You did what I'm saying? Instead of digging in the ground like we did for the post in the greenhouse, since this is basically going to be a little smaller shed and a smaller building, what we're going to do is we're going to use these big boys. Yeah, I think one of those down there is a 2x12. So we're going to use that 2x12 at the bottom. Screw those 4x4 posts in on the corner, put a framing at the top, and I think that'll be heavy enough to withstand and be sturdy enough to make it. You know what I'm saying? As y'all can see down here between the rows of the raised bed, we got to do some weeding, and we got to also add some more wood chips. You know what I'm saying? That house back there, when the water comes off of it, I mean, it comes. And you can see how I just washed out the wood chips like that. You know what I'm saying? And it just, basically, it ain't a bad thing. It's nature. You did what I'm saying? But, you know, we also got to add more to it. You did what I'm saying? Also, let me show you. I know I'm talking a lot for the intro, but look at this right here. Y'all remember what we did? We threw them mushrooms blocks out in the field, and look what happened. Look, we growing mushrooms. You hear me? We growing mushrooms. Look at this. Look at this. We growing mushrooms. Huh? Look at that right there. Mushrooms. They out here. You feel me? Big boys. You know what I'm saying? They done came on through there. You feel me? By adding them coffee chaffs along with the wood chips that's down there. Bam! Bam! That's what's happening. You dig what I'm saying? I'ma water these things real quick. Look at that. Bam! You know what I'm saying? Bam! You know what I'm saying? Look. Bam! You know what I'm saying? Look at them right here. Bam! You know what I'm saying? Yeah, boy. We about to go ahead and make it do what it does. Bam! You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I got a little spray bottle of water over here. I'm about to spray these things down so that the sun won't dry them out too quick. So before we harvest them, they'll be good to go. But that sun also gonna give them oyster mushroom that good vitamin D. You hear me? It's gonna charge them things up. So I already know these mushrooms gonna be on a whole nother level. You dig?
You already know it's up. I know friend for super crop. Out here growing exotic stuff. But it's that fruits and veggie, bro. I know friend for super crop. You already know it's up. Out here growing exotic stuff. But it's that fruits and veggie, bro.
When I look around, I always learn something. That is to be always yourself. And to express yourself. To have faith in yourself. Do not go out and look for a successful personality and duplicate it.
I wrote these plans for you. 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 All of this knowledge is God-given. Such a wonderful feeling. To pick them and put on your plate. Not eat them, I know they taste great. Yup. I wrote these plans for you. 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 All of this knowledge is God-given. Such a wonderful feeling. To pick them and put on your plate. Now eat them, I know they taste great. In the soil each and every day. Them plants grow every which way. But some wild out in the field for real. Still propagating plants from last year. Get some dirt under your fingernails. I won't tell, call me Ezel. Go ahead and take a smell. Pollinators coming in from everywhere. Why they get next to them plants made? That's how the plants be proliferate.
Yeah, y'all see that thing. You know what I'm saying? Big Boy had to hit me with the right advice because he's the engineer. You know what I'm saying? He said we should tile that thing up, overlapping towards the middle. You did what I'm saying? Yep. So when the rain fall, it would then pull up in the middle and then cascade down. You feel me? And he also told me that would minimize the chance of leaks, right? Yep. Okay. So y'all see that thing? It's looking better than it did before. Because I had help with Big Boy. You did what I'm saying? So now we finna go back yonder way. You did what I'm saying? And start working on this shed. You did.
I wrote these plans for you. 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 All of this knowledge is God-given. Such a wonderful feeling. To pick them and put on your plate. Now eat them, I know they taste great. Yup. I wrote these plans for you. 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 All of this knowledge is God-given. Such a wonderful feeling. To pick them and put on your plate. Now eat them, I know they taste great. Going hard, constant placking. Growing greens, they steady stacking. Having fun, tons of laughing. Gotta get it, I'm never slacking. Roll the dice, I'm seldom crapping. I didn't quit and you see what happened. Every second we grow. Too much knowledge, gun low. Regional goals, I create mode. I'm the first one on the honcho. I need my produce like pronto. I feed the soil to keep up the flow. To cut the grass, I use the goats. To boost the plants, I use compost. I got the knowledge, so I spread it. And I give it to you so you won't forget it. Come with me, and you will see how much fun your garden can be. Come with me, and you will see how beautiful your garden can be. Hey, now what's happening? Come get with this placking. The outdoor fresh farming so luscious and so lavish. Growing exotics while boosting the aesthetics. If you plan it right, you can always eat your veggies. Throwing out knowledge, I hope that you catch it. We live on this earth, so I think we should respect it. So long she been neglected, now it's our turn to change it. With some
minor changes, I'll be sure to explain it. It doesn't take much, just effort mainly. We gotta nurture Earth just like she is a baby. Bring back balance to the situation. Let Earth regenerate and she'll start busting major. Come with me and you will see how much fun your garden can be. Come with me and you will see how beautiful.
Yeah, man. Y'all see it, you know what I'm saying? We done got to it real quick, like, you know what I'm saying?
Don't pop shit up.
Hey, you got crazy. God, dog, man. Crazy, man. That's how the Westside folks see it, man.
Yeah.
But y'all see it. Just popped it up real quick, like, you know what I'm saying? We got the frame in. We ain't even have to dig not one hole. You dig what I'm saying? We got them 4x4, plus them 2x12, and them two. Oh, that's the one big piece of 2x12. That made our whole base frame down there. Then at the top, we had some 2x10s, you know what I'm saying? Also, whatever, yeah, those 2x10s or 1x10. Whatever it is, we used that around, and that made the top framing. You did what I'm saying? We had the 2x4 because that we were going to use just in case we were going to make some doors, but we used that for the front, and then we had the 1x1 that we using for the top rafters. You did what I'm saying? Now, you also know that we got them panels that blew off the greenhouse that we are now going to use to put on top of the shed. And what we thinking like is having like an open face shed, kind of like a barn thing, just a quick place to get out the elements real quick, you know what I'm saying? Get out the sun when you're out here working. But then at the same time too, we can also have us like a roll-up door, you know what I'm saying? Y'all remember how me and Maul did that thing when we went camping, the other Jamaal, you did what I'm saying? When we went camping out there, we had us a roll down door on the front of our little no tent situation that we built. You did what I'm saying? So yeah, man. The only other thing we really got to do for real, well, we're gonna try to go ahead and put some the stabilizer panel things. What is it, Mr. Engineer? What's that called?
You talking about the cross beams?
The cross beams. Yeah. We're about to put the cross beams up there. You know what I'm saying? And so we can then put the roofing up there. But the major thing we got to do is just put up a wall, you know what I'm saying, or put up the remnants of a wall around here. But then Mr. Engineer told me something too. What you said I need to do to that back wall to make it more structurally sound and sturdy.
You need to put a brace in there. So
I can't hear you.
So, so you need to put a brace in there. So you want to put another post in the middle, and then bring the 2x4 down to the brace, bring another one to the brace. Do the same thing on both sides, so it'll be like an X pattern. So you got better structural integrity in the back of the shed here.
All right. Yeah, see, yeah. We got some of that knowledge, you know what I'm saying? Each one teach one, pass it around, and that's how we put it down. You did. Now, before we put in these cross beams, make sure you smash down on that subscribe button and tell a friend to smash down on that subscribe button too. You did. Yeah, man, y'all see that thing. We done put them cross beams off in there, put the roof halfway on, but we got the frame together off in this thing. You did what I'm saying? We about to go ahead and jump into tea time, because Cuz got to see a man about a mule and talk about a cat. So we're going to go ahead and hurry up so he can go ahead and do that. You did!
It'll be so amazing to bring back light to the barren places and watch the quality in life increase. I'm all the way into the day I die.
It's tea time! Yes, sir! We did that thing today, you know what I'm saying?
You see it.
Yeah, we in it, you feel what I'm saying? They ain't got no walls yet, you know what I'm saying?
Nah, they ain't there.
But we mostly there.
Yeah.
You feel me? You feel me?
Yeah.
Y'all better watch out. I got gold with me. Yeah. Look, I'm rocking with that lemon ginger.
Yeah. I got the youth berry again. Rocking the youth berry again.
You feel what I'm saying?
Man.
Let me go ahead and drop what happened? What, you seen the bees or something?
I'm just really looking at what we did.
Oh, you're admiring.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just admiring the work.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Okay, for a quick recap, you did what I'm saying. First thing first, me and Cuz came in yesterday on the emergency. You did what I'm saying? Got a phone call that the panels over there on the greenhouse was flipped over and all like that. I took some pictures, you know what I'm saying? Look at them. Okay, yeah. So y'all seen the little pictures real quick, like. But we came in on the emergency tip. You know what I'm saying? Put up the 1x4s, you know what I mean, that was already braced up before we got started. And then we had to get some more panels, you know what I'm saying? And Cuz over here with the engineering background and everything, he showed me a dope way to make sure the panels will be basically even, and they will overlay even, and they came out mwah, magnifique. You did what I'm saying? Them were perfect, you feel what I mean? And it was super dope-alicious.
Hey.
Okay. Then I say, cuz, we got to do the shed. He say, let's get it. You know what I'm saying? We devised a plan real quick on how to make a little open shed container type of situation, which we're in right now. And it's very spacious.
You see it?
You see what I'm saying? We even got the ladder back here, and we're at the front part. You feel what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And we ain't no little bit of cat. So
Not at all.
you see, we got elbow room to move and groove. You feel me? That thing 8 feet in the back, 7
Vaulted
feet in the
ceilings.
front. Yeah.
Vaulted
Vaulted.
ceilings.
You feel me?
Vaulted ceilings in this.
Yeah, hey man, like, quick cussing, man. Good. Nice, man.
Vaulted ceilings in this place.
Yeah.
Vaulted ceilings.
So, doggone, y'all see how we made it do what it does. You know what I mean? We couldn't get everything done because, like I said, Cuz gotta holler at a man with a mule about a cat. You feel me? And we gotta hurry up so he can go ahead and handle that. You did what I'm saying? But y'all see we did it real quick, like, you know what I'm saying? Spiffy, but it's still sturdy. You hear me?
Indeed.
That thing is in there. We didn't have to dig any holes or anything like that. So it is a very, very good situation for the area, you know what I'm saying? And at the same time too, it's gonna be very functional. So yeah, I'm digging that, you know what I'm saying? I'm loving it, you feel me? So before we get out of here, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know y'all make sure y'all go hit up that Amazon shop. You know what I mean? You can find certain things such as the cup we're drinking, the cooking utensils to make the tea, as well as some of the different flavors of tea that we have been drinking. You did what I'm saying? So y'all go check that thing out because we planning to make it happen in all kind of ways. You did what I'm saying? Make sure you go catch that Screaming. Them hot tracks that's in the background, you need to go cop that. You feel me? Yeah, they like this here. Hey. You feel me? And they all talk about farming, garden, elevating, you know what I'm saying, positive vibes, you know what I mean? And basically trying to help you make it through this thing we got called life, you feel me?
Absolutely.
So, yeah, we making it do what it does, you know what I'm saying? What you gonna tell them, cuz?
T-bus.
Okay. That's what I'm talking about. You know what I'm saying? So before we get out of here, make sure y'all also go follow on the social media at Lelo_Jones and at Outdoor Fresh Farm. You did what I'm saying? Holler at me for your consultations if you're around here in the GA, Atlanta, or anywhere in the Southeast. If you're in the Midwest, you're going to be hollering at Cuz. You did what I'm saying? But you can holler at me so I can let you holler at him because he's an engineer and he be doing a whole lot of things. So he's a busy man. You did what I'm saying? So y'all be easy. You know what I'm saying? We're about to enjoy this little bit of tea time and relish in the little framing of the shed we have done for today before we go put some food in our belly.
It's absolutely beautiful.
You know what I'm saying? I love it. It is quite magnifique. You feel me?
Yeah.
Now y'all be easy and we'll catch y'all next time. Peace. Oh yeah. Lemon ginger.
It's that youth, baby.
Okay.
Don't stop, pick it. Them carrots ain't gon' pull themselves, not get with it. Drop to your knees and get the picking. Don't stop, pick it. Don't stop.